Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view Instagram Reels views. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to enter to your profile and you will be able to see the views of your uh, your Reels. And basically, just click on Instagram and then go to your profile, and after that you will find all these uh, analytics, and basically all you need to do is just to go here to your content, and after that we will need just to click on the real icon, and here you will see that you can find your reels views. So this one was viewed 100 times, etc, etc. So all you need to do is just to start seeing the views, and basically that's it. Or you can just click on a specific uh, reel and then go here and you can start editing it, or you can start boosting, and here you can also find the view insights, and basically you can see how many times it has comments, how it many times it has been shared or sent to other people, how many times it has been saved, etc, etc. So as you can see, this is the simple way on how you can see the stats or analytics of your reels or your content. You just go to your profile and you will find these icons of views. And you can also start, if you have a professional account, you can go to insights and start seeing the analytics of your reels, like views, interaction, etc. So as you can see, you can also find the views, and from there you can find some specific analytics. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.